Hi, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color expert and e-design consultant. Today we're going to look at Sherwin Williams Cityscape. I love dark colors, but you have to be careful with dark colors that they don't fall blackish in rooms. And that's one reason why I love Cityscape, because no matter what the room, it holds itself pretty darn well. Cityscape has an LRV of 22. If you don't know what LRV is, it's light reflectance value, and it tells you how light or dark a paint color is on a scale of 0, which is black, 100, which is white. And every paint color has an LRV number to help you out. So with this guy sitting at 22, he's on the heavy side of the medium range, getting close to the medium dark range. It's got a really skookum look to it, and you can see that contrast there. Super clean. So when you're looking at a paint color, make sure you compare it to white, because that's the way you're really going to see the depth of it. Now, Cityscape is a gray paint color, but like every single gray paint color, it has undertones. Cityscape has a green undertone. Now, green can be green yellow, which is warm, or green blue, which is cool. This guy's a green blue, so he's a slightly cool one. And while it is a gray or a charcoal, those undertones are slightly more noticeable. So if you're looking for a straight up gray, this isn't the one for you. But let's do a few comparisons to see if I have the one tucked in my little pile here. Let's start with Dovetail. Sherwin-Williams Dovetail is hugely popular, and I do have videos and blog post reviews on most of these, so do check them out. So you can see there's the difference between a cool gray and a warm gray. Dovetail has a little bit more flexible undertones and more muted undertones, so it's going to come up more gray, but it is warmer. And Chelsea Gray. Chelsea Gray's been my favorite for a very long time. Now, a lot of people think Chelsea Gray is a cool gray, but it's not, because as you can see here, there's a shift. So you can see that cool gray with that little bit of the green, greeny blue undertone to it. And Attitude Gray. I haven't done a review on this guy yet. Now this shows you that while Cityscape has decent green undertones, it's still pretty gray, because here's Attitude Gray. You can see a lot more green in that guy, and it's also not quite as green-blue as Cityscape. Now if I'm going to put Cityscape with white, so I'm picking a white for, say, trim, cabinets, that kind of thing. Of course you'll want to consider your countertops and flooring, but generally speaking, what have I got here? I might look at pure white. So pure white's a soft white, so it's a little bit more of a gentle approach, but still giving a nice contrast there. And I also love Sherwin Williams High Reflective White. That's a cleaner, more crisp look, so it just depends on what you're going for. So I do hope you'll visit my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have an awesome search function. You can type in almost any keyword and get access to 300 articles, 300 plus articles, color reviews, decorating ideas, and affordable ways to update your home. And I do hope you'll consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.